Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add someone on Google Chat. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply go to your browser, then just simply go to the Google, then go to your chats. To find chats, just simply go to this option over here and click on chat over here. Then add someone on your chat. What you have to do is just simply click on the plus icon, which is start a chat. Just simply click on it. Then you have few options like message request, browser space, or create a space. So what you are looking for is how to add a person. So in order for doing that, just simply write the email address of that particular person or multiple person if you want to add more than one person. So just simply write the email address of that person. Then you will find his email address over here. Just simply click on it. Then click on start chat. Now, as you can see, we have started and added a chat. Now you can just simply send any text to that person and he has been added to a chat. Now you can also pin this person if you want to. So click on the three dots and click on pin over here. And now this person is pinned. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.